So if you want a really well-priced, beautiful little townhouse right in the center of Fivizzano, walking distance to everything in a quiet little alleyway that's very green and very pretty and very sunny, this is the house for you. Welcome back to Fivizzano. Hey, Cardellini, come in here. We're in the center of Fivizzano. Every Tuesday they have this market all year long, even in the winter, yeah. So Federico is taking English, so he's understanding everything I'm saying to him right now.
Più avanti parleremo in inglese.
Okay, so we're
Ora parliamo in italiano.
He's going to speak in Italian now.
Okay, now in the square in the Fivizzano.
Whoa!
Wow! Near Fivizzano, house, nice, with charm.
With charm, okay.
With
very
charm.
good. Oh wow, this is like leaps and bounds. Let's go. No, come on. Okay, let's go. This is it?
Casa in
Oh,
pietra.
okay. Oh, this is cute. This is very cute. Garage?
No, è una piccola cantina.
Oh, piccola cantina, non garage.
No garage.
Well, for a piccolo.
Sì, piccola cantina.
Piccolo auto.
Piccola auto, sì.
For one of those tiny Fiat, you know, those little
Fiat.
bitty, the little one, right?
Topolino.
The Topolino, for the Topolino.
Panda.
Or you can get a panda in there?
Comunque, cellar è una cantina.
I'll be the judge of that. Okay. We'll see. I think it's a garage.
Because
this would be cool if you had a garage.
Because in Fivizzano no problem parking.
What's today?
Oh. All right, andiamo.
Ok, andiamo.
No problem.
No problem.
Up there he goes with the doors. Loves opening doors.
Charm.
This is number one. Is your house number? I think that's
Charm
cool.
de flower.
Charm of flowers. Okay.
Wow.
Oh, this is so cute. I think this is very cute. You know, I kind of love this. Quanto costa questo?
63.
63,000.
Sì, yes.
I think this is great. These walls can all come out. Yep. We've
Ho
been
imparato.
doing this so long. He knows that immediately I want to take a sledgehammer to everything. But very easy to renovate. I think it's super cute. This is super carina.
Sì, questi
Oh,
9.
and new windows. Those are
double glass.
double glass thermo pane windows.
Good condition.
I like this. I think this is really cute. This is carina.
Nice.
No, it's great.
In
This is
the
one of the
centro?
better houses you've shown me lately. This is super cute. And 63, okay. So how many bedrooms? Quante camere di letto? Quanto bagni?
Allora, 2 bedroom, 1 bathroom.
Okay.
Ok?
Yeah, I'm just trying to take
Allora.
this all in now. Like, what are these rooms? What is happening here? E questo non è.
Questa era
questo
una
non è-
cucina.
Questo was the cucina. Okay, and this was the sitting room.
Perché
Okay.
questa casa era affittata fino a poco tempo fa e qui c'era la cucina, qui loro avevano una camera.
I'm listening to nothing he's saying because I'm actually trying to figure out how much space we can carve into this hallway. Because I think we could just take the whole thing here and just have a little entry pad and then just take all this square footage and make a living room and a kitchen down here. You know, a sitting room, living room,
Just
kitchen.
open all the walls up.
Yeah, and you could also probably make a little half bathroom down here too. Yeah, because this is probably a full bathroom here. And then put a bathroom upstairs. I have to look though. This is like a bathroom, laundry room situation. But I'm just saying there's a lot of square footage down here to redo the configuration. So I would probably redo the floor plan down here. I don't think we can rip this out, but I think we can rip some of that out. So I think this is really cute, right in the center of town, and it's quiet. So when they have the big festivals in the piazza,
Sì, yes.
it's quiet here.
Relax,
Yes.
quiet.
And you're right in the middle of town. I love the location of this. This is really fabulous. This is, for somebody, this is fantastic. And the
Nice.
staircase is a semi-murder staircase. This is a cute solution.
Questo è molto particolare. Wow,
It's cute.
guarda che spettacolo.
Hello, everybody sells.
sorry.
Don't sell me.
È naturale, bellissimo.
Romeo.
Secondo Annette.
Questo è un piccolo ingresso e poi tutto
Aperto.
aperto.
Wow.
Could be. You could open the whole freaking thing up. Just have an open floor plan here. Living area, little groovy kitchen. This could be really cool. I love it. Oh, this is great. Ah, this is a great house. This is fantastic. Un piccolo giardino.
No, questa non è proprietà.
Perché? So this is not our garden, but I got very excited about it. This is questa proprietà.
Fuori non è proprietà.
Posso comprare?
E,
Can we buy it?
si può chiedere? Possiamo chiedere.
Yeah, no, it's very nice. You can have a little
Relax.
greenhouse. You're gonna sit here and relax.
Relax. Io mi leggerei un libro qua.
Everybody, let's sit in the staircase and relax, according to Federico. I'm in my staircase. I'm super relaxed. Okay, andiamo.
Big bedroom.
All right. Because I think there's only one room up here, yeah. Okay. Yeah, so this is a bedroom. I mean, I think it's a great bedroom. I think it's fine. I mean, you know, it's in the city, it's kind of nice because it's a little bit green outside. I really like the location of this.
Nice.
This is cool.
Qui
I would have to
Annette,
think a little bit about going downstairs to the bathroom.
c'è una bellissima vista che si vedono gli Appennini. Ma oggi non c'è la neve, ma a marzo, febbraio.
Yeah, you can see the mountains, sort of. That's cute. I like it. I do like this. I just have to think about the bathroom situation here. I mean, this is a lot of square footage here down the stairs. So I think I would take that square footage and probably reconfigure the stairs completely so everything gets ripped out and then you just do. But for 63, you could probably get it for 58, 59, and then throw another 50 into it. And you have like a gorgeous place in town. It's nice and light in here. It's very happy, right? I think this is a winner.
Bravo, Figaro, bravo, bravissimo, bravo. La 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 la. Fortunatissimo per verità, bravo. La 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 la. Fortunatissimo per verità. Fortunatissimo per verità. La 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 la.
Like and subscribe.
Yay!
Pronto a far tutto, la notte e il giorno, sempre d'intorno, egli lo sa. Miglior cuccagna per un barbiere, vita più nobile non si dà. La 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 la. Rasori e pettini, lancette e forbici al mio comando, tutto qui sta. Lancette e forbici, rasori e pettini al mio comando, tutto qui sta.
Hey, if you have a house that you want us to see, why don't you write Stephen below and we'll come and have a look at it and see if we can sell it for you. Don't you think I could take up this square footage here? Put the bathroom here. We could actually raise the ceiling
This is a
downstairs.
lounge, first of all.
This is valuable square footage. I mean, I like the idea of we could put the same glass thing in. This is cool, but make this more of a bathroom and then just raise the ceiling downstairs a little bit. You know what I mean? Change the configuration of the stairs. Yes. I don't like going downstairs to the bathroom. But do you want to go downstairs to the bathroom?
No.
Well, this has to
But
be the
I'm still coming
bathroom.
down the stairs. So that...
Michael, come here. I am right about this. This is ridiculous here. Take that square footage there and we go up the stairs this way. There's a bathroom on one side and the bedroom on the other side. Easy peasy. You just rip those stairs out, close up that wall, open this up. It is the stairs. It is a bathroom. It is a bedroom.
Won't you need a lot of this area to become a staircase?
It doesn't matter because look at how big this is. Like, you just come in, there's a foyer, there's a staircase.
Oh, I just want to open all that.
No, I know, we can open all of this stuff up. I've got like a spider web on me, sorry. Sorry. It's just a smaller entry pad. This is all open, right? Open, open, open. There's a staircase here that goes up to your bedroom.
I don't want to put that money into this,
I do.
you know?
50 grand, it's like 100,000 euros and you have yourself a gorgeous little pad here. That's
Well, I think you
groovy.
need 50 without the
I
stairs.
don't, I disagree with you. You'll have to go shopping with me. We can reuse some of these stairs. I mean, there's stuff we could do. Cute. All right, we're gonna stop arguing now. I think this is great. Where are you? Why are you not standing here? Come over here.
Sì.
I think someone should buy this. I think if you want to know what I think the plan is, let me know. I like all the floors here, so I mean, you could just leave everything. It is move-in ready, so you could just move in if you wanted to, and then you could renovate as you go along. Fantastic location. Well done.
Nice, very, very
Bravo.
nice.
I think it's 2 thumbs up. No, 4 thumbs up. Way up. Okay. Way up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at the next location. Bye.
Bye.